Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Folax AI assistant on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. So first, we want to go over and use the power button on the right side. We're going to press and hold it. And as you guys can see, we got to click on agree. Here we can...
Please say, "Hi Folax."
Hi Folax.
Again, please say, "Hi Folax."
Hi Folax.
Very good. Please say, "Hi Folax."
Hi Folax.
The last time, please say, "Hi Folax."
Hi Folax. And now it's done. We can wake up our AI assistant every time we say hi Folax. So it is already working. Now what we can do is we can ask it a couple of questions. So just say hi Folax. Hi Folax. And now you can ask him the question. He's listening. As you guys can see, this is every single word that you just say. And you can ask him a question about the weather. You can ask him a question about even a NBA match and etc. So that's it for the video. This is how you guys can set it up and use it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.